My name is Doug Green. I'm a battalion chief with the Lawrenceburg Fire Department. This is our new tower truck, which we'll be taking possession of in just a couple of weeks. We are a volunteer department with 32 members, 2 stations, automatic mutual aid we are in the heart of bourbon country, automatic mutual aid with Wild Turkey and Four Roses Bourbon.
Welcome to FDIC. My name is Jenny Bloomer. I am with business development team on the aerial products. I'm going to walk you around Lawrenceburg's, Kentucky's new truck here. This is built on an Enforcer chassis, 70-inch Enforcer cab. It's on it has a Packard engine, MX-13. It is also built with the new Waterous ESU 2000 GPM pump. So Lawrenceburg has a 100-foot mid-mount platform. The stabilizer system is 2 front jacks down, 2 rear jacks down at the back of the truck. The center jacks are the only jacks that extend out. It's an 18-foot spread. Their truck's equipped with the 42-inch pump house. It does have the new Waterous ESU 1 2000 GPM pump. There's a 300-gallon water tank. They have packaged 800 feet of 5-inch hose. They've got their 100-foot 5-section mid-mount platform device. It does go to minus 15 degree below grade elevation and a 50-degree scrub zone. This one has provisions for a stokes basket on the side of the base section here, as well as boxes on each side to store equipment. And if we walk around the front here, it does have dual TFT monitors. The basket is a 1,000-pound dry capacity with 500 while flowing up to 2,000 gallons per minute. It does have the life ladder option for a parapet ladder. We do have ratings up to 50-mile-an-hour winds. Back access on both sides of the device. Stokes basket holders on the side. The telescopic waterway is located on the side of the device to keep it out from underneath the device when going up over walls. You can see how the body's been designed to cut away to give us the 15-degree below grade, 50-degree scrub zone on each side of the truck. There's ample storage in the bodies. Slide out, we have several options for different slide out trays. Roll-up doors. Coming around the rear here, you see we have the angled corners for better turning radius. The slide-out steps for easy access. We also have another foot down for when you get the truck high off the ground or in different grades. Easy to store and pull out. Back here are control for the stabilizers. This is the pendant controller here. Easy to set up the truck. You can see with the coil cord visibility on both sides. Setup time is 26 seconds with the integrated stabilizer pads. You can see a full complement of ground ladders and pike poles here. There's an extra storage space underneath for whatever you want. We also have options for generators that can go in there as well. They have the 800 feet of hose that comes out the chute right there. There's a cover that'll protect the basket when the hose is paying out. Both sides have the angled corners and the steps. You can see all the compartments on this side. Again, the rear jacks are straight down only. And the center jacks up here, you can see, are the only ones that do come out. This one is short jacked right now. The foot on the bottom rotates 360 degrees, so you can get it out of the way or get it between cars. This is the oil level sight gauge. And as we come through the other side of the truck here, See the other side of the pump panel and we have the 2 cross lays for 400 feet of 1 3/4 hose. The back side of the aerial device, you can see how we have the over retraction that provides us to get the whole truck length as short as possible, as short as a rear mount platform. That allows us the short setbacks, a 20-foot setback from the side of the truck with the 5 sections. And last, I want to touch a little bit on the front jacks. These are straight down as well. They also, when you go to pivot the cab, they will pivot out of the way. We also have the Q2B on a pivoting bracket, so the Q2B and the jacks will pivot out of the way for when you need to raise the cab and do maintenance. And with that, I think that wraps up most everything. Thank you to Lawrenceburg for the purchase of this beautiful truck, and enjoy the FDIC.